Ever stepped on the gas expecting a smooth ride, but instead your car violently jerks into the next gear, or maybe your speedometer starts bouncing around like crazy while you are just maintaining a steady speed? That terrifying harsh shifting is usually your transmission going into a protective limp mode, and if you hook up your scanner, you will likely find a P2766 code staring back at you. This specific code stands for Input/Turbine Speed Sensor B Circuit Range/Performance. To understand what is happening, you have to look at how your automatic transmission actually thinks. There is a small, 3-wire electromagnetic sensor bolted right near the input shaft, reading the exact revolutions per minute of the transmission internals as they spin past it. The powertrain control module constantly compares this input speed to your engine speed to perfectly time your gear shifts. Think of this sensor as a conductor leading an orchestra. Without its precise timing data, the transmission is completely blind and just guessing when to shift, which feels awful behind the wheel. When the computer sees the signal from sensor B dropping out of its normal range, it throws the P2766 code to warn you before major damage occurs. Now, before you start panicking and pricing out a completely new transmission, you need to know a little secret about these electromagnetic sensors in your mechanical troubleshooting. Because they use a magnet to read the spinning metal reluctor wheel, they naturally attract normal, microscopic metal shavings floating around in the transmission fluid. Over time, this metallic sludge builds up on the tip of the sensor, completely blinding it and scrambling the waveform signals sent to the computer. The absolute best first step in your diagnostic process is to carefully remove that sensor and give it a thorough visual inspection. Simply wiping off that fuzzy metal debris can sometimes cure the entire problem. If the sensor is perfectly clean, grab your digital multimeter and check the resistance against the factory specifications. Do not forget to inspect the wiring harness as well, because a single corroded pin or a wire that has rubbed bare against the transmission case will easily cause the exact same range and performance electrical fault. Dealership technicians see this all the time, where a perfectly good sensor is thrown in the trash because nobody bothered to check the wiring connector for water intrusion or burnt plastic. Take your time, trace the circuit back to the powertrain control module, verify your grounds, and you will save yourself a massive headache and keep your car shifting buttery smooth for miles to come.